Okay, hi guys. So the next automation that we are trying to achieve is Jira Automation, autocomplete parent issue type when all sub issue types have been marked done. సో ఇందులో ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తామంటే ఇందాక మనం వేరే ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోలో మనం స్టోరీస్ కంప్లీట్ స్టేటస్ వెళ్ళినప్పుడు డన్ స్టేటస్కి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఎపిక్ స్టేటస్ వచ్చేసి పెండింగ్ రిలీజ్కి వెళ్ళాలి అని సెలెక్ట్ చేసాం. ఇప్పుడు ఆల్మోస్ట్ సేమ్ సినారియో, కాకపోతే ఇక్కడ పేరెంట్ వచ్చేసి స్టోరీస్ అండ్ బగ్స్, చైల్డ్ వచ్చేసి సబ్ టాస్క్స్. సో ఆటోమేషన్ మనం యాక్చువల్గా రీయూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, జస్ట్ కొంచెం చేంజెస్ చేసుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. సో మనకి ఇక్కడ ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోలో క్రియేట్ చేసుకున్న ఆటోమేషన్ ఇది. దీన్నే నేను కాపీ చేసుకుంటాను. కాపీ చేసుకొని దీన్ని నేమ్ చేంజ్ చేసుకుంటాను నేను. చేసుకున్న తర్వాత ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నానంటే, సో ఇందాక just like before, as I said, this automation is almost similar to the one that we have done in the previous video. It is 90% similar. The only difference is, in the previous video the parent is epic and child is stories, but in this one the parent is user stories and child is subtasks. So we'll just make some tweaks. We just copied the transition from the previous video. We'll just make some changes. So this I need it this way. I don't want to change anything in this. The next one, issue type should be subtask. Okay, I don't have multiple subtasks, so I'll just select subtask. Then I'll save it, and then from here, now if the issue is transitioning to done status and if the issue type is subtask, then it has to go to the parent of this subtask. So the parent of subtask is not the epic but the user story. So I'll just select this option here, which is stories or other issues in this epic. So it will go to the parent here in this, and after this has gone to the parent, now here what I will do is I will one second. So what should happen in this is it should be subtasks. Let's see if we have subtasks here. Related issues, subtasks. Now this all would still be the same. We will not change any of this. Okay, and then we will change this one to done, and we'll just save it. So we'll just check what we have done so far. Now the automation starts as soon as any issue is transitioned to done status. Once this condition passes, it will go to and check the next one, which is it will check if the issue type that has just gone to done status, is it a subtask. If it is a subtask, then it will go to the parent. Now instead of selecting stories, let us just select the parent. We can do either one, but this will work too. So for parent, so we went from subtask to the parent. Now in this parent, it will check if subtasks status is done. If all of these subtasks matches this status, then it will change the status, or it will transition the status of the parent to done. So this is what is happening. So if you look at it, it is almost similar to what we have done in the previous video. So we'll just publish and we will check if this is working. Okay, so let's see. This is the story 2. Okay, now I'll just move it to do, and I will create a subtask which is subtask 1 of story 2 of epic 1. Okay, and then I'll create it. Now this is in to do status. What I'm saying is, in the automation, if this goes to done status, this should go to done status as well. Let's see if the automation rule is working. Now if you see here, something has happened, and looks like the automation rule has completed execution. And if you check here, the status has changed to done. Now let's try to do this one more time with multiple subtasks. So we'll do subtask 2 of epic 1, subtask 3 of story 2 of epic 1. Now I have 2 more subtasks, and this is in to do status. One is already done. Let's see if I change this to done, if the automation rule will run. So if you see here, the automation rule has run because this is the trigger. If this goes to done status and if this happens to be a subtask, that's when this rule has to trigger. And then after that, it checked if in this story, if all the subtasks has reached the status done or not. So as this one is not yet in the done status, this has stopped here. Let's see if we'll move to this done status. Let's see if this will change the status. It is still to do. Let's see what happens. We'll just refresh it and we'll just wait. Nothing happened so far. Now looks like the automation has completed execution. If you just go up, you can see the status is done. So this is one of the tasks which is mostly simple, as long as you look at it in a practical way. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.